Hi guys, it's Dani and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and join our little fam. So my mission here is to help your skin and your bank account shine, honey. So today we're going to be talking about online shopping hacks. So these are tips and tricks that you should be using all the time so that when you're shopping, you're also being savvy and saving money. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing I would talk about is using cashback sites. So there's so many different cashback sites you can use, but the one that I use and love here in the UK is Top Cashback. So Top Cashback not only has a great website on your laptop, desktop, whatever you're using, they also have an app. And if you're anything like me, to be honest, I can't remember the last time I purchased something while sat down on my laptop or a desktop computer. It's always on the go and on my phone. So a cashback site that has an app is great for me because not only can you track purchases through, say if they've got an app like ASOS, you can also track purchases through their website on online websites. This is something you shouldn't be sleeping on because not only is it going to help you while using regular shops, you know, your ASOS, your Amazon, Superdrug, Boots, they're all on there. So while you're doing the regular shopping that you'd normally be doing, you're getting a percentage back as cashback. So please, one thing you should do today is download Top Cashback. I'll pop a link below where you'll get a bonus for signing up. The second thing you should be doing is using a plugin. So this is specifically if you are shopping online and using Google Chrome. There's a great plugin called Honey. So what Honey does is look for coupon codes. So you just do your regular schmegular, you know, adding to cart, as always, girl. Go to checkout and it will automatically search the internet. You know that feeling before when you used to be like ASOS discount code, searching quickly before you check out? Honey does it for you. So they'll find the best discount code on the internet. They'll give you a few that you can choose from and you can add it to checkout, get your discount and check out. And the last thing I would say is to track prices. So I know this is a bit of a, you know, old school and boring thing, especially because we're so used to buying things in, you know, like Amazon Prime, getting it tomorrow morning or the same day. We need to be tracking prices. So if there's something that you know that you want, for example, be that, I don't know, a pair of boots from ASOS, take a screenshot on a day of the boots that you want and the price. Keep that in your mind and then look back in a week or 2 weeks. Keep it in your mind, but don't instantly always buy everything because it's so often that these websites do have discount codes. Are you on their newsletter list? They could email something. Are you following them on social media? They could have a one-off promo. Instagram is great for this, and Instagram stories for brands is absolutely something I would recommend checking constantly because it is quite often that these brands will have like a flash discount code, and those shoes that you wanted, you could be getting 20% off. So those are my 3 top tips for online shopping hacks going into 2020. I would love to hear your hacks and secrets. Let's share them below and help each other out. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the fam, but also check out my latest video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and don't forget, let's make that skin and that account shine, girl. See you soon. Bye.